In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste values only and clear borders in your spreadsheet. Let's start by copying the data you want to move. Highlight the cells that contain the information you need, then use the standard copy shortcut. Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac. You should see a subtle outline or animation around the copied cells, confirming they're ready to paste. Next, move to the destination cell where you want the data to go. Right-click directly on that cell to open the context menu. From here, choose Paste Special. This menu gives you more control over exactly what you're pasting, which is helpful when you want to avoid carrying over formulas or formatting that might cause issues in your new location. Within Paste Special, select Paste Values Only. This action takes whatever you copied and drops in just the raw results. No formulas, no formatting, and no borders. For example, if the original cells contained formulas that calculated totals or percentages, you'll now get the actual numbers as they appeared at the time you copied them. This is perfect for creating a clean snapshot of your data that won't change if the original source updates. After pasting, take a quick look at the range you just filled. If you notice any borders around those cells, that's likely formatting that already existed in the destination area. To remove it, select the pasted range by clicking and dragging across the cells. Then head to the toolbar and find the borders icon. It looks like a small square with 4 borders. Click that icon, and from the options that appear, choose Clear Borders. This strips away any existing border lines so your data sits on a clean, neutral grid. A quick tip here. If you still see faint lines after clearing borders, those are grid lines, not borders. Grid lines are just the spreadsheet's background guides and won't print unless you specifically turn them on. Borders, on the other hand, are formatting you can add or remove, and the Clear Borders option handles those. At this point, you've successfully pasted values only and removed any borders that were previously applied. This workflow is especially useful when you need a static copy of results for sharing, reporting, or archiving without unexpected changes or leftover styling getting in the way. If anything doesn't look right, remember you can always undo and repeat the steps, keeping your data tidy and consistent.